So I'll tell you about the power of follow-ups from my personal experience with a lead. So basically, we got a good lead in the month of October 2023, and we had everything set. Like we were on the final onboarding call after I think 10 days, and in that between also multiple follow-ups were happening. So that did not happen. The final onboarding did not happen due to some reason. The client couldn't find the best service we were giving. They were looking for more options and everything. I gave up that time. I was like, no, this can't happen again and again. And that day only, whatever the problems client told, I worked on it. What I did from the month of October till the month of January, I kept on following up. In the month of Jan, what I did, I just took some screenshot from some other clients, good work that we got from the same service we were giving to the lead, and we just sent the screenshot. That lead, which has told almost no to us, decided something in 10 days and got back to us, and then we discussed on the call and then we onboarded them. Just imagine if I would have just left that lead in the month of November without following up for 2 months, 3 months. I still have that email conversation with me. I think there were 60 to 70 email conversation to onboard that client, but finally we onboarded them, and that's a really good client of ours, and I think one of the highest paying client of our agency. And we are really, client is happy with us, we are happy with the client, and both way it's really going good. But just imagine if I would have not followed up 10-15 times with that client, I would have lost that. I would have regretted that, or I would have not even known that what was the problem. But since I kept, the problem was only one thing, client were expecting good results, and that's what I showed and onboarded the client with the power of follow-ups. From that day, I don't leave any lead without follow-up. If I have any good success result from the previous client, I make sure I send to the leads which were not cracked last time.